In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a department in Zoho Desk. This process is crucial for organizing your team efficiently, ensuring that every ticket reaches the right group of agents, and providing a seamless support experience for your customers. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail so you can easily manage the structure of your support operations. First, you'll want to start by accessing the essential settings in your Zoho Desk account. To do this, click on the Setup icon, which typically looks like a gear. This icon is your gateway to the various customization options available within Zoho Desk. Once you're there, head over to the Organization section and select Departments. This will take you to the Department Lists page, where you can see any existing departments and create new ones. Here, you'll find a button labeled New Department in the top right corner. Click on it to begin creating a new department. Let's take a moment to go over the details you will need to fill out on this page, as each plays a critical role in defining how your department functions and is perceived. Start by entering the department name. This will be an internal name used to identify your team or division within Zoho Desk. It's best to choose a name that clearly reflects the function or scope of the department. Next, consider the display name in Help Center, which is how your department will be visible to customers. This can be the same as the department name or something more customer-centric. If you have a logo for your department, you can upload it here as a visual identifier. This step is optional, but adding a logo can give a professional touch and make it easier for customers to recognize different departments. Also, you'll see an option labeled Display in Help Center. Uncheck this if you wish to keep the department private or for internal use only. Otherwise, keep it checked to make it visible to your customers. A crucial step is associating agents with your department. Think of this as assigning team members who will handle the tickets addressed to this department. It's essential to carefully select agents who are experienced or knowledgeable in dealing with the specific issues or queries your department covers. Additionally, provide a brief description of the department. This helps provide clarity and context, both for new team members and during internal reviews or audits. Once you've entered all these details, you have the option to configure channels for this department. This allows you to set up various support avenues like email, live chat, web forms, and even social media channels. Configuring channels can help streamline the flow of communication, ensuring that customers can reach you through their preferred method. However, if you're not ready to set this up immediately, you can definitely skip this step and configure them at a later time. There you have it. A comprehensive guide on setting up a new department in Zoho Desk. Following these steps will help you create a structured environment for your support team to thrive, ultimately leading to improved customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.